Alright, so this one I meant to put in the last video, but I forgot because I scrolled down. But cause I thought that one would be a little bit too short, but I think I made like 6 minutes. Alright, this one anyway. Use properties to find limits, and these are supposed to be separate answers. Use properties of limits to find the indicated limit. It may be necessary to rewrite the expression before limit properties can be applied. Select the correct choice below and fill in any answer boxes in your choice. Type in integer. I guess we'll just check one of them. Oh, that's right, it's asking us to give an answer. Or simplified fraction. So the first thing you're supposed to do, remember how we found on that other graph where it was like this, and then it was like right here, or in some cases there was a hole there, or a hole here, or it was filled in here, or whatever. And that was where it equaled 0, right? When the denominator equaled 0. So first thing you're supposed to do is you're supposed to plug in 5, or plug in the limit and see what it gets you. Because if it gets you a number, then you're done. But this is 5 times 5 is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0, so this gives us a denominator of 0. So that wouldn't work out. So we're going to have to use other methods. And it says you can rewrite it. We could rewrite that. Let's see. It's limited input is 25 plus 20 is 45. It's also 0. Okay. Even 0 of 0 is not a real number because it has 0 in the denominator. Alright, so the properties of limits. The one thing I know how to do is to see if there's even a number that exists, which there probably is to make a little graph or little chart here. And since I was kind of aware of this, I brought my little calculator up here. And this says, let's see. Okay, so the one thing you can do is let's turn it on. You do what's close to 5. So you can draw from pretty far away. You can do 5.1, 5.01, 5.001, and then you can go the other way. 4.999. Drop this down. 4.99, and then we go this way, see where it's approaching, this way, see where it's approaching, and 4.9. Alright, so if we type in 5.1, let's do that. 5.1, and we're going to do this whole thing. Squared. Oops. Let's see. Alright, well, since I already got it up there, squared plus 4 times 5.1 minus 45. And I should probably have already done that, but it doesn't matter. It just makes it easier, and then we can even repeat it. Let's see, insert. All the way back. Divided by the quantity. What is this one? 5.1. It's easier if you go 5.100, and you'll see why in a minute. But 5.1 minus squared minus 25. And we get negative. Let's see. Right, 5.1 squared times. Oh, it's 2. Let's see. Let's go back. I hit second enter at reason. This is the last one you gave. Sorry about that. 4 times 5.1 minus 45. Let's try that one. Yeah, it should give us a positive number. So 1.3. Oops. 96. Not bad. 1.396. Alright. Yeah, we're going to see where it's approaching. So like this number should give us a closer number, because when we're on our graph, it gives us a closer number to the number we're trying to reach, and then from the going from the left side, which are these numbers, it gives us a closer number. Here, I'll just kind of draw it. I'm just assuming this is what the graph is looking like, and if this is like 5, we want to know what this number is approaching, you know, if it exists. So maybe the graph really ends like right here, and that's it. But that would be kind of difficult, actually. So, you know, this is only the 4th problem of any of the homework. So let's try 5.01. Let's get out of 5. Well, we just do this and put our values. Now let's do insert. This is what I meant. Here, I'll show you. If I do this. Oops. If you insert it down, then you could just type it over. Next time you could just go 1, 0, 0. You'll see. Alright, so we got 5.01. Oh, there's one. Insert. I'll just go after it too, because it makes it easier. Should have done that, but that's the same value, so what? Alright. Ah, funny. I'll just do this one. Oh, that's right. That's what I am. Second, insert 0 after it. What's wrong with this thing? Can I just put a 0 there? That's weird. Huh. Must be because it's a new program on this calculator. Alright, so we got our 5.01s. We're going to see what it gives us. Should give this number a little bit bigger. Let's see, yeah, 1.3, I think it was 9. I'll just do this. I don't want to round up yet. 1.3996. Okay, and we'll do the same thing. But this time 5.001. See, like that, it just goes right over them. Let's see. 001. Alright, well, we get something that's pretty close. Let's see how many 9s there are. 1, 2, 3 9s. A 3, 9, and a 6. Oh, wow, that's way off, isn't it? So it's what, 1.39996, and you can see it's getting bigger, you know. Whatever, that's coming from the right side. I don't know why I did that. It's coming from the right side. Now if we did 4. I should do it probably from 4.9 and up, but let's see, let's do this. Oh, why don't we do that? 4.900. 4.900. Again, leaving those zeros there, so I could just put right over them. And I'm just doing these videos so you can teach yourself calculus, you know, for free, and so you know what a course. This course was called Applied Calculus, so it's just a little different, but I'll change some of the things probably. But just so you can just teach yourself, you don't have to worry about too much, and you know, it's free, so and at your own pace or whatever. So, all right, this one gave us a 1.404. 1.404 looks like repeating, but I'll just do that. Alright, and I'll do the next one. I'm going this way because I want you to see like where it converges, and that's That's the name of the game. This one is 4.99. I'm already at 10 minutes. I don't know if it'll let me load it. Let's see. Not very quick, is it? I think that's it. Oops. 1.40041. 1.4004. Alright, we'll do it one more time. And let's see if I can use the keyboard. Yeah, it's a bit easier. Wow. I didn't put. Alright. Nine. 1.4004. 1.40004. So it looks like it's reaching about 1.4. So that's not really an integer. But if we were to take this and put 1 divided by 4, right? Yeah, no, 1.4, sorry. 1.4. Entered it, and then go to second. No, just go to math and hit fraction. 7/5. So that's where it's leading. So that is the limit. So if this didn't equal 0, we'd get a limit of, when x is 5, basically, we get f of x is 7/5. So that's your answer. That this would go right in here. You can do 1.4, but it says type an integer, and integers, whole numbers, or simplified fraction. This is simplified because you can't, there's no common multiple. Alright, I'm going to end it and see if it just at 12 minutes, so it doesn't kick me off. So it does exist. So it does exist, and the limit is 7/5. That was even worse. The limit is 7/5 as x approaches 5. Alright, that's it.